how to make a game pass in Plus Donate. So if you want to make a game pass in Plus Donate, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Roblox on your browser. Once you've opened, now you need to just go with the create section, which is on the top left. Once you click on create, then it will take you to this kind of interface. Now go with the monetization section here on the left side. But before that, make sure to go with creations. Under creations, you need to select your experience. Now under your experience, scroll down, go with monetization, and here you will have passes. Click on passes, and from here you can go with create a pass, and you can just enter your image. You can just click on change, which is on the right side, and then select the image from your desktop. And after that, you can go with name, give it a name, and give the description. And after that, you can go with create pass. Once you click on create pass, then it will create the pass. You will have the pass like this. So you just need to simply click and open the pass, and here on the left side you will have the sales option. So go with sales, and under that make sure to select the option of item for sale, and then enter the price in Robux and go with save changes. And now your pass has been done. So that's how you can make a game pass in your Plus Donate. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.